Hi guys, this is Victor with DIY Time, and today I would like to share with you how I was able to fix quite interesting problem on our family SUV, Toyota Highlander. So what happened is one day, 3 different lights came up on the dashboard: vehicle stability control, ABS, and the brake system. I've also got 3 same exact warnings on the information display: check vehicle stability control, check brake system, check ABS, and on the bottom it was also saying have your vehicle checked by a dealer. My car was still running fine and it didn't have any noticeable issues with it, but when you get those type of warnings, you probably want to check your car as soon as possible. Now, if you take your car to a dealer, you're gonna pay them anywhere from $100 to $150 just to diagnose the problem. But instead, I'm gonna use my TechStream cable and software to diagnose it myself. $150 is a lot of money, so instead you may want to consider buying a diagnostic tool and try to diagnose the issue yourself. And if it's something simple, you can probably fix it very easily, and you're gonna learn a thing or two how to fix your own car. You're gonna keep the cable and you're still gonna save a lot of money. So if you're interested, I'm gonna post a link in the description area below where you can find the same exact diagnostic tool that I'm using in this video. I used the cable to connect my laptop computer to the onboard diagnostic port on the car, and I used the TechStream software to run a diagnostic scan. Keep in mind, this software only works with Toyota, Lexus and Scion cars, so if you have anything other than Toyota, you will need to use a different diagnostic tool. I personally use Blue Driver with my Nissan Altima. It works pretty great. It's capable of reading transmission, ABS, and any regular check engine lights. So the diagnostic scan detected error message P1244, which stands for problem with the light sensor circuit. I checked all of the lights on the car and sure enough, the stoplight bulb was out. I replaced the bulb and all of the error messages went away. Luckily for me, this was very easy and simple fix, and I didn't really know the bulb was out because you don't really see it when you drive unless someone else tells you. But you may get a different error message when you get those warning lights on the dashboard. And finding out what's the error code and what's the description of the error code could be a very helpful first step towards fixing the problem. And that's when diagnostic tools come in very handy. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. And also, if you had a similar experience and you were able to fix your problem, please share with everybody. Let us know what was the error code and how you fixed that. That would be greatly appreciated. Alright, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a Toyota, Lexus or Scion car, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.